Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present about the computer software. From the picture of the page of two, there are two types in computer software, which are laptop and desktop. So, the first of all, is the system software. This is the essential foundation that operates the computer hardware and provides a platform for running other software. The user doesn't interact with it directly very often. What it does? It manages memory, controls control peripherals like keyboard, mouse, printer, handles file system, and provides the user interface such as desktop, icons, and also Windows. So for the second is application software, which is apps in the computer. So this is the software that most people think of when they hear the word software. These are programs designed for end users to perform specific tasks. So, uh, so the productivity software for getting work done. For examples, Microsoft Office such as Word, Excel, and then Google Workspace such as Docs, Sheets, and also email clients. Beside that, there are also programming software. These are the tools used by developers to create, debug, and maintain all other kinds of software. So, for examples are compilers, interpreters, code editors such as VS Code, Sublime Text, integrated development environments, which is I- IDEs like PyCharm and PyCharm or IntelliJ. So for the last one, malware or malicious software. This is a category of software designed to harm or disrupt a computer system. It is the bad software. So the examples are viruses, worms, ransomware, and spyware. So how you get and use software? Commercial, you purchase a license to use it. For example, Adobe Creative Suite, Microsoft Windows. So the freeware, free to use but often closed sources. Examples, Skype, Spotify, and Free Tire.